Career and technical education is really inspiring and an opportunity for students to really explore a pathway that they might be interested in. It gives them the opportunity of hands-on learning and really gives them opportunities to get connected to employers in their communities. The Don Wood Foundation has had a privilege of being able to support the CTE centers in Northeast Indiana by upgrading equipment for CTE centers and high school CTE programs, by helping instructors go back and get the knowledge they need to teach students for the careers of today. It's been a privilege for the Don Wood Foundation to invest in CTE in Northeast Indiana. The future of CTE in 2026, when I go visit different locations, they are really preparing students for the careers of the future. They're making sure the kids are doing activities and hands-on learning on the most up-to-date equipment, that they're talking to employers. Employers are helping plan curriculum, and they're really wanting it to be a seamless from school to credentials to getting an employment. One aspect of CTE that I feel is just so important, and I've seen students really succeed at, is the work-based learning component. Once they take the skills that they have learned in the classroom and they get to go out into an employer in their community, that they can work alongside people who are doing that as a career, and they can use their skills to gain further skills with those employees. It's really an awesome opportunity for students to have that experience. For CTE in 2026, I hope people understand that this is a new way of learning and really hitting all students where they're at and helping them find what career will be meaningful to them. I think going forward, it's not just for a certain amount of students. CTE can be for everyone, and the new high school pathways allow that.